Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to live stream on YouTube for free with OBS. So the first thing is you want to make sure you download OBS or Open Broadcast Software. The website is obsproject.com. I'm going to have a link in the description of this video below. That way you can go directly to download this software. It's completely free. There's no charge. So once you download and install OBS, you're going to go back to YouTube. And when you're logged in, all you have to do is just click on the icon right here where it says create, and you're going to click on go live. So it's going to take me to a new window. So right now I don't have a camera or webcam connected to my computer. All you need to do is just go here to the stream. All I'm using is the OBS to actually record this video and my mic. That's all I use. So once you're here on stream, it's gonna have a few things that you need to set up. So you're gonna have to create the title of the stream. I'm just gonna title this test, and right here, make sure it's set to public. This is a description and some affiliate links I have on my channel. This, for everything that I upload to YouTube, this already is in the description, so I don't have to do it every single time I upload a video. So that's already set up for me. Now, the type of video is how to. I do tutorial videos, so I leave it on how to and style. And schedule for later. No, I want to do it right now. Enable monetization. Yes. You can upload a custom thumbnail. So if you have a photograph or a picture or a thumbnail that you want to use, you can just click there and select what you want to use so that people can see what the stream is about on the thumbnails. Uh, Here is no, it's not made for kids. And all you have to do is create stream. So I'm going to click on that. Now, you're not live yet. You still need to have the OBS or a software uh, installed in your computer in order to go live. So you're not live. You're not live yet. The way I know is if you go to the top right corner where it says go live, see it's telling you connect to a streaming software to go live. So I'm not done yet. So the next step, super important step, is the stream key. So this stream key, you're going to need to copy this stream key. So click on the copy, successfully copied to clipboard. So now you're going to go to OBS and open OBS. So I have it open here. I actually have it recording everything I'm doing right now. So as you can see, it's recording. You're going to go to settings, and you're going to go to stream. So here is where you want to paste the stream key from YouTube. Now, make sure you have the service is YouTube Gaming. Make sure you have that. Now, if you want to go live on Facebook, Mixer, I'll do a different video on those some of the time. For now, just keep it on YouTube, server, primary, YouTube, and just server. The other thing you need to look for is the output. So here on the output, I have it on advanced. I believe simple is the other option. I'm not allowed to click on that right now because I'm recording. But when you're not recording and you're not doing a live stream, you can change this from advanced to live, or I'm sorry, to simple. So make sure you're on advanced and you go to stream and just check on the bit rate. I have it at 4,600, 4,500. Those are actually some good numbers to keep it. Click on apply, okay. And once that's done, all you have to do is click on start streaming. So I'm going to click on start streaming. See how it shows you stop streaming? So now you go back to YouTube It's going to take a few seconds, and once it's ready, it's connecting right now. When it's ready, you'll be able to click on the Go Live button here at the top right corner. So now you can see that at the top right corner, looks like you're ready. Click here to start streaming. So I'm still not live yet until I click on Go Live. So I'm going to click on Go Live, and now I'm live, and it's showing concurrent viewers. So these are the steps to record, to stream on your YouTube channel. So once you're live, all you need to do is, this is the live chat. You can, if you have people that are watching you live, you can use this chat to communicate with your viewers. Once you're ready to end the stream, all you have to do is click on End Stream. Are you sure you want to end stream? End. And that is it. So uh, YouTube is going to give you a few things here: new subscribers, duration, playbacks, total watch time. So uh, this video, the live stream, is going to be saved directly to YouTube. So if you want to watch the live stream on your channel, you're just going to have to go to your channel and just look for the live stream. I hope this video was helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe. Give the video a thumbs up. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below, and I will see you guys on the next video. Peace.